So this is the circuit that I made. It's a flexible ramp generator with 555 and some op amps, one op amp, one dual op amp. And at first I couldn't get it to work because I misread this part here. It says 22 microfarad and I thought it was 22 nanofarad, so I used a 22 nanofarad capacitor here, so that didn't work. Now I change it for 50 volt 0.1 microfarad. Now I can have a range of from about 1 kilohertz to about 10 kilohertz, so that's pretty nice. Here's the circuit. And there it is. So I'm triggering here, which is the blue, and the other one is a signal. It's a flexible ramp, and it looks like this. And there are 3 variable resistors. One is there, one is there, one is there. See? So, and with this one I can do the frequency, and with that one I can do the amplitude, and with this one I can do the DC offset. And I have minus 12 volt coming in, plus 12 volt coming in and ground. So when it's working now, this is the signal. It's pretty nice. Looks pretty cool. So I can show you what you can do with it. First, the frequency is 1 kilohertz, about 1 kilohertz. We can change it to 10, 15 kilohertz. The only thing now, it's a triangle. When I go back at the lower frequency, it's not really a triangle anymore. So that's the limitation of this circuit. Yeah, about a kilohertz. This is the second one here. Oh, is the amplitude. And a little higher. About 15 volts peak to peak. This is 5 volts. 5 volts per division, 3 divisions, so it's about 15 volts peak to peak. Set it at 10 volt. Here's the DC offset. So it also has a bit of limitations. So this is from 0 to 10 volt. This is the maximum. So if I go higher, I get this. And it's the same at the lower. See? But it works. Finally got it working. Pretty cool, huh? So that's it. Till next time.